Welcome back to another video, guys. So today we're gonna be installing, or not installing, we're gonna be checking our clearances on our mains. So last night, Justin and I, we managed to get the 24 tooth, right? 24 tooth reluctor off the crank and replaced it with a 58 tooth. So in addition to that, we also got the sprocket swapped out with a new one. And so last night was crazy. We actually, it's freezing in here as you can see through my breath. So like the crank's been sitting outside. So I took this reluctor, threw it in the oven for 350 degrees, and then let it sit in there for maybe like 20 minutes. And so I was like, all right, Justin, so this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna hold the crank. I'm gonna take the reluctor and slide it in and center it so I can then tap it in place. Well, brought the crank in, and I think it's just because it was so cold. I set the reluctor on top and it dropped all the way in. Like there was like no tapping or anything whatsoever, dude. It was crazy. But here, let's get this flipped around so they can see our marks and stuff. Oh,
they're not gonna be able to see it because of that.
Because of the sun?
Yeah, because I can barely see you.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey. Here, let's You can't see that?
No way.
Really? Here, let me see that.
It's really bright.
Oh, damn. Okay. Well,
I mean, maybe.
Anyways.
No, you can see them, yeah.
Our marks came out perfect. Everything aligned nicely. So, no issues at all. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So, we have our bearings right here. So, down there. Here, can you hold these for a second so I can press this down? I'm afraid of pressing it down. I don't know why. Oop, gloves caught. There it is. That wasn't too bad, right? Nice.
Thank God we don't have to press fit
Yeah,
these in.
dude.
Fuck that shit.
So much pressing. Well, I mean, we had that. What else? Oh, press fit sprocket on the
That
crank.
wasn't even a fucking press fit.
What?
Those are
No.
drop fit.
Oh yeah, no, you're talking about the reluctor.
Yeah. Oh, the top.
Yeah,
No.
I was out here by myself for like a solid hour trying to get that freaking sprocket out. All right, let's try this again. Try to give me some extra set of eyes.
You gotta go over right.
Right?
Left, your left. Left. There you go.
Nice. Thought it was heavy. Okay. Looks like it's in there nice and even. What do you think?
Looks good, yeah.
Looks nice and shiny. Okay, cool.
Feels good to actually get somewhere with the fucking engine. Well, we gotta take this out.
Yeah, no. Alright, so fast forwarding a little bit. We got all of our bearings in place. Crank is in. We got our bearings underneath, obviously. So from the research we did is we're aiming for 3 thousandths of an inch for clearance. Okay. Then our last one, our last strip of plastic gauge. All right, I'm gonna pop in these caps. And so number 5.
I'm just supposed to start with this one. Or does it matter?
It doesn't matter, we're not gonna tighten the back one first. I'm just gonna drop it in.
Or maybe not. Or maybe I just forgot.
15 thousandths. Same thing.
Nice.
I love that it's consistent, you know? I think that's why I'm so torn with those rings. I like how we gapped them, dude. Don't put up on ourselves.
You're torn on that, but the block is not consistent, so I don't know why you are torn on that.
What do you mean the block is not consistent?
The
holes,
like
the, the boards,
not consistent. So
yeah, but I feel like I don't know. As long as we break it in, I think we'll be okay. Like obviously we're gonna break it in, but break it in properly. So let's see what we got here. 15 thousandths. Same thing. That's it, dude, for the crank. You happy?
Yeah.
It feels good to put like something back in there for sure. That was easy. That wasn't too bad, right?
That was not bad.
We had 2 good days in a row. Alright, so the crank is installed. We rotated it, feels nice and smooth. And we actually had to pop the mains back off because one thing that I forgot was to oil the walls on the third bearing. So took those back off, got it lubed, so I just put some assembly lube on it, and that should be all set. Okay, so oil ring gap expander range. So this is the range that it can be in. Your top oil ring rail gap, so that'd be the small ring, that would need to be on this side of the wrist pin, and then the bottom would go over here. So then we have our second ring compression here and our top ring here. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. So we'll clock it and drop it in and see what happens. But first we actually have to get these caps off. So we'll do that. But everything else makes sense, right?
Yeah.
I think it's fairly simple. So let's get these caps off. Dude, that's crazy though. Like you can't even see where it's split.
Yeah, I know, it's ridiculous.
Dude, that's nuts. All right, let's get a socket and let's get these off.
See those metal shavings?
It's coming from inside of here. We figured it out. So we couldn't get these off. Impact wasn't strong enough. So what I ended up doing is took my rubber mallet, stuck it in here, and Justin took the breaker bar, and we both went the opposite way and managed to break them loose. So that's the first ring. Now just broke it loose, so I'm just gonna take my impact to them, and should be good to go. Nice. What is that? Loctite?
Maybe. Is it still wet?
Yeah, it looks wet. I'm scared to like mess with it.
Should I boop it?
No, don't touch it. What the fridge?
They crazy glued them, dude. Oh, there she goes. That's crazy, dude. Nice.
They'll be alright. Alright. Yeah, there's just some dowels in there. That's freaking nuts. The crank is, that main is facing down so we won't hit it. Bam.
It was going in, isn't it?
It was, but it stopped. Dang it. Look, I didn't get one ring in. I could probably get it.
Nice. $100%?
Now you're just making fun of me.
No, that 90% bullshit. Gotta be 110%, dude.
Alright.
You look good with no mustache on, dude.
I look good?
Yeah, honestly. Like that look? Looks
Like young?
good. No, that scruffy look. I get a big old patch right here. Doesn't grow shit.
Damn, dude. All right, well, let's torque this bad boy down. Ready? It's all the way in there. Oh, there we go.
70.
70?
That's 70 exactly. 7.5.
Well, one's 75 foot-pounds.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm saying. I'm just letting you know it's at 70. 72, 74, 76, 75.9. Can't wiggle it all?
I would say it's exactly 15 thousandths.
I agree, honestly.
Exactly 15 thousandths.
I agree, honestly.
And
Wow.
15 thousandths.
It was like the end of the
Yeah.
road, so it's good.
15 thousandths, 35 thousandths.
Nice.
I'll say that one's done though, dude.
Lube her up, leave her in there, dude.
We managed to plastic gauge the first one. We got 15 thousandths, so that's actually within our range for these rods. So we need to be between 15 and 35 thousandths, right? So we're all set there. Was gonna plastic gauge the second one. Socket gave out. It actually stripped the socket. It's just junk brand. It's the only one we had, so I'm gonna pick up a new set tomorrow. And so yeah, we didn't bother putting in the third one, but we're gonna continue moving along. So in the next video, these will probably all be done. Okay guys, that's all for today. We'll see you guys next Tuesday. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, and we'll catch you guys later.
Nice.